Most of the electronic circuits was composed of capacitors to help the electronic system on stable voltage supply. This capacitor can store and can release the electrical energy in order to stabilize the voltage in the circuit. It provides a sudden discharge of camera flash, act as temporary power source of UPS or uninterrupted power supplied during any power interruption, can maintain signal integrity or filter out noise in audio system. We have three most common types of capacitors, like ceramic capacitor, mylar capacitor, and electrolytic capacitor. But this video, we discuss only an electrolytic capacitor. The electrolytic capacitor is polarized type, on which anode or positive plate is a metal substrate with oxide film, while the cathode or negative plate is connected to the solid or liquid electrolytes. Here is the typical parts of electrolytic capacitors. It has an aluminum can, insulating sleeve around the aluminum can, inside part of aluminum connection or paddle tab. The wound cell that consists of anode aluminum foil, aluminum insulating oxide layer or dielectric, and cathode aluminum foil. The lowest part have rubber sealing, and the polarity terminal leads. This is the internal reaction of electrolytic capacitor, during charging and discharging on a single batteries. Inside the electrolytic capacitor, is composed of electrolytes with positive or negative ions. The positive ions will move to cathode or negative electrodes, and the negative ions will move also to anode or positive electrodes, during a state of charging. This negative ions, and positive ions will displace each other again, during a state of discharging. We have plenty ways, on how to test the electrolytic capacitors, by means of multimeter. We can use a higher resistance mode, continuity mode, capacitance mode, and voltmeter test. A good electrolytic capacitor will read a normal charge according to its capacity, and discharge completely to zero value. Other readings, which are not according to its capacity reading, was defective electrolytic capacitor. A defective electrolytic capacitor will show a very low reading or no reading, very high reading that over to the capacity, and not stable reading. Another symptom of defective electrolytic capacitor can be on physical state during inspection, like burn marks on the body, leaking or bulging, getting hot during operation, and other physical symptoms. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and follow to my channel, Knowledge Link Information.
I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming on.